Struggling to write product descriptions that sell or drowning in negative reviews? What if AI could automate your e-commerce content in seconds? Meet MasterSuiteAI, your secret weapon to outsell competitors. 85% of shoppers judge your brand by product descriptions and reviews. But let's face it, writing persuasive copy takes hours. Generic testimonials? Suspicious. Angry reviews? Reputation nightmares. Sound familiar? That's why MasterSuiteAI exists. Generate high-converting product descriptions, authentic testimonials, and professional review responses, all powered by AI. And guess what? You start with 150,000 free tokens. No credit card, no risk. Welcome to MasterSuiteAI, your ultimate AI toolkit for e-commerce success. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to use its core features step by step. Let's dive in. First, product descriptions. Open the template and you'll see fields for product name, short description, optimization settings. Here's how to master it. Check the Include Your Brand option if you want the AI to weave your company name or logo into the text. Next, set the max length between 50 and 300 words, depending on your needs. Adjust the creativity slider, low for straightforward specs, high for storytelling. Choose a tone of voice, formal, friendly, enthusiastic, or even urgent. Finally, select your AI model, GPT-4 for creativity or Claude for concise outputs. Click Generate and watch 5 unique descriptions appear instantly. Pick your favorite or tweak the settings and regenerate. Pro tip, use bulk generate to create 20+ variations, perfect for A/B testing. Empty review sections, kill sales, fix it fast. Navigate to the template and focus on the subject field. Create reviews theme like customer service experience. Set creativity to medium to balance authenticity and marketing flair. Choose a language. MasterSuiteAI supports 15+, from Spanish to Arabic. Hit generate and get believable stories, not generic 5-star blurbs. Edit freely or let the AI rewrite for a fresh angle. These aren't generic 5-star reviews. They're stories that make shoppers say, "I need this." Got a bad review? Don't panic. Paste the customer's message, set tone to professional, empathetic, and let AI craft the perfect reply. Paste the customer's original review into the customer review box. Whether it's glowing or a 1-star complaint, the AI adapts. Use the response field to add context, like offer a 15% discount or apologize for shipping delays. Set the tone to empathetic for complaints or grateful for positive feedback. Click Generate and get polished replies tailored to your brand's voice. Adjust the max length to keep responses concise or detailed. Turn complaints into loyalty. Works in 15+ languages. Don't forget, bulk generation. Need 100 product names or 50 review responses? Activate bulk mode and let the AI scale your workflow. And yes, you start with 150,000 free tokens, enough to generate 500+ descriptions, 300 testimonials, and 200 review responses. No hidden fees, no credit card required. Every minute you waste on manual work is money lost. With MasterSuiteAI, generate 100 descriptions faster than writing one. Turn negative reviews into customer retention. Launch products 3x faster. Start with 150,000 free tokens, enough for 500 texts. Your competition's already using AI. Are you? Ready to transform your e-commerce content? Pause this video, sign up at MasterSuiteAI.com and redeem your 150K free tokens today. Then, experiment with the tools and return to master advanced tactics. MasterSuiteAI isn't just a tool, it's your 24/7 AI content team. The question is, will you let your competitors outpace you? Start now and dominate your niche, one click at a time. Need viral product names? Persuasive why choose us arguments? MasterSuiteAI does that too. Explore all tools, risk-free. If your e-commerce content isn't converting, you're leaving money on the table. Click the link, grab your 150,000 free tokens, and join 12,000+ sellers scaling with AI. The question is, will you stay stuck in the past? Get started free now.